Hey Bay East, did you know there's an amazing member benefit that gives you, all members of your household, and any dependents up to 26 access to crisis counseling, community referrals, exclusive savings and discounts on some of the largest brands in entertainment, and more. Today I'm going to tell you all about your access to the Holman Group, the Bay East Member Assistance Program that offers useful tools, resources, and access to member savings for you and your loved ones. The first of those awesome benefits is unlimited confidential telephonic crisis assessments for assistance with problems involving marriage and family, stress, grief, depression, substance abuse, and other situations that could impact your daily life. The Holman Group's toll-free crisis line is staffed by licensed therapists and is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for emergency and urgent assistance. The Holman Group offers legal and financial resources, including phone consultations with a licensed attorney and a financial management expert, helpful information on thousands of legal issues, over 45 financial calculators, access to legal forms such as free kits to complete wills, end-of-life preparation, retirement, estate planning, and more. You can also locate free or reduced cost programs for childcare, healthcare, housing, food assistance, employment services, education, and more through community referrals offered by local programs. But that's not all. The Holman Group offers discounted gym and studio memberships, nutrition and weight loss programs, and wellness resources via Husk Wellness, formerly known as Global Fit. You can also easily find the lowest prices and save up to 80% on your prescription medications with ScriptSave. Finally, access exclusive discounts on hotels, rental cars, live entertainment, tech gadgets, home essentials, movie tickets, theme parks, and attractions like Disneyland, Universal Studios, SeaWorld, and much more through Tickets at Work. Just visit holmangroup.com and log in using the provided login credentials. Once you've logged into the member page, select the benefit you want to explore. Any additional instructions you need to activate Holman Group discount partners will be listed on the member home screen. Of course, if you need any assistance with the Holman Group or any other Bay East member benefit, please feel free to contact our Member Services Department at 925-730-4060. I'm Nicole Shivers, and as always, thanks for watching.